What's up, traders? My name is Layla. Welcome back to this week's no-nonsense market recap from Bullish Bear. Markets traded mixed this week after inflation jitters and fresh earnings clashed with escalating trade drama for investors' attention. Midweek saw a spike in volatility after reports that President Trump mulled firing Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Trump later confirmed the talks, noting that Powell is more conservative than some lawmakers. So for now, Powell's seat looks secure. On trade, Trump announced a fresh deal with Indonesia involving a 19% tariff, plus he threatened sweeping new tariffs on pharmaceuticals and semiconductors starting August 1st. Tariff letters have now gone out to over 150 countries, ranging from 20% to 50%. On the economic front, June's consumer price index rose 2.7% year over year, the highest since February. Retail sales surprised to the upside with a 0.6% gain last month, showing consumers still spending despite tariff worries. Nationwide's senior economist Ben Ayers said strong June retail sales should support a solid Q2 GDP rebound, but tariff uncertainty will likely weigh on the second half. JP Morgan's CEO Jamie Dimon chimed in with a warning, saying messing with the Fed can have serious consequences. Speaking of JP Morgan, they kicked off earnings season with a sixth straight beat. Wells Fargo beat estimates but saw net income slip. Citigroup posted solid revenue results, and BlackRock became the first asset manager to top $12 trillion in assets under management despite mixed results. PepsiCo delivered a strong beat and raised its 2025 outlook. Johnson & Johnson followed suit with raised guidance. Meanwhile, Coca-Cola grabbed headlines after Trump tweeted that they agreed to use quote-unquote real cane sugar in US Coca-Cola. The company said more details on new products are coming next week with their earnings report. Netflix was one of the week's most anticipated earnings reports, posting a Q2 revenue jump of 16%. The streaming giant raised full-year revenue guidance thanks to healthy subscriber growth and booming ad sales. In tech, Nvidia shares surged on word that it may resume chip sales to China, lifting Alibaba and Baidu too. Taiwan Semiconductor posted a stunning 61% profit jump and forecast 30% revenue growth. CoreWeave announced a massive $65 billion AI data center project with Google and Blackstone. Corporate moves included Apple's new supply deal with MP Materials, Trade Desk joining the S&P 500, and Tesla's debut in India. Sarepta trimmed staff, Rigetti unveiled a powerful quantum computer, Kraft Heinz mulled a grocery spinoff, and Autodesk soared after ending merger talks with PTC. Boeing climbed after an Air India crash report ruled out mechanical failure. On the flip side, Starbucks and Best Buy both got downgraded by analysts. Crypto was supposed to light up DC this week as Congress planned votes for 3 major crypto bills. The Genius Act, a stablecoin bill, passed the Senate and looks set to be the first standalone crypto law. That legal buzz pushed Bitcoin to a new record high of $123,000. Crypto stocks like Coinbase and MicroStrategy traded mixed, but BitMine Immersion Technologies stole the show with a big investment from Peter Thiel, sending shares higher. So far, over 45 S&P 500 companies have reported earnings this season, and 87% have beaten expectations, according to FactSet. As earnings season heats up and inflation tariff risks loom, markets stay near all-time highs. But with General Motors, Philip Morris, Capital One, IBM, Chipotle, and Tesla set to report next week, investors might want to buckle up for the twists ahead. For more updates, tune in next week as we continue to track the market's every move, and subscribe down below to Bullish Bear for more market recap videos. Until next time, stay disciplined, manage your risk, and remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. See you in the trading room.